Welcome to the Useful Parenting Advice channel. Here you will find practical advice on how to raise kids to become confident and capable adults. Now, of course, being a parent isn't always easy, but fortunately, we don't have to learn absolutely everything on our own. Instead, we can adopt best practices and we can avoid common mistakes by learning from the experiences of other parents that have come before us. And that is the primary focus of this channel. Now, I'm just an average parent that is sincerely interested in discovering better ways to raise my own kids. And in doing so, I've been doing a lot of reading, a lot of research out there, and I thought it might be helpful for other parents out there to share some of the most interesting insights and advice that I come across here on this channel as bite-sized short videos. Now, as a bit of background, I've been an entrepreneur for over 20 years. During that time, I've built and sold a number of successful businesses, and today I spend most of my time actually running another channel here on YouTube where I share some of the most interesting insights that I come across on a range of subjects, including business, personal growth, human psychology, all kinds of interesting themes and topics like that. And one thing that I've really noticed lately, especially now that I'm a parent, is that many of the books that I end up reading include a chapter or a section that takes the core concept of that book and applies it to parenting. So for example, if it's a book on how to develop better habits or how to break bad habits, a book like that will often include a section that talks about how to help kids establish a healthier routine or how to teach kids the power of building habits into their lives that are tied to their goals or their aspirations or something like that so they can live more meaningful lives. And in addition to those kinds of discoveries in interesting books I'm already reading, I've been reading a whole bunch of other books that are entirely focused on parenting. Things like how to communicate more effectively with kids, how to help kids develop new skills and abilities faster, and things like how to help kids discover the many joys and benefits of engaging in sports or other athletic activities. So with all this reading and all this research I've been doing, and with some of the conversations I've been having with other parents, again, I thought it would just be very helpful to take the most practical and useful advice, the things that my wife and I are applying when it comes to raising our own kids, the things that we've seen to be very helpful, and to package that down into simple, short, focused videos. So if you're interested in joining me on this journey, if you want to become a more effective parent, or if you want to raise your kids to become confident and capable adults, then I invite you to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, because that way you won't miss out on future useful parenting advice videos.